Welcome! At Tally, we strive to simplify all aspects of user experience. This includes not only the product but also other services like installation, licensing, support, and so on. With this as the focus, we have enhanced the installer to give better experience and more capabilities. The updates make it more of a setup manager than just an installer. The Setup Manager provides a simple and intuitive installation experience so that you can quickly get started with the application. It is a one-stop solution for adding, managing, and removing all Tally applications in a system. We have enhanced the intelligence of the setup in such a way that it gathers all required system and user information upfront and sets default actions on its own without requiring a user intervention. It handles all known user or technical situations that could potentially exist and informs you about errors or exceptions that may be encountered. Setup Manager also provides flexibility to alter installation configurations at any point of time while being informed about the related impact of the changes. Let us look at the capabilities of the Setup Manager while installing TallyPrime in a system where no Tally installation is present. Double-click the setup.exe file. The Install Application screen appears. If you want to configure and change default settings such as application path, desktop shortcut, start menu entry, and so on, click the Configure option. Click Install button to install the application. Once it is done, an installation successful message is displayed. You can click Start TallyPrime to start the application or press Escape to quit the Setup Manager. We can now look at the Setup Manager in action in a system where Tally applications such as Tally ERP9 is installed. Double-click the setup.exe file. You will be taken directly to Update Flow. Here, you have the choice to either update the existing Tally ERP9 or install TallyPrime separately. By default, you will be asked to update. In case you have multiple instances of Tally ERP9 installed, select the Tally ERP9 installation in the list and press Enter. In the Update Tally ERP9 screen, click Update. An update successful message is displayed. Click Start TallyPrime to start the application or press Escape to quit the Setup Manager. In case you want to retain Tally ERP9 and install TallyPrime in a separate folder, click More Actions. In the list of actions, select Install New. The Install Application screen will be shown. Press I or click Install to start the installation. All buttons and options in Setup Manager are divided into three types: additional details, user input, and yes or no types. You can use Enter and Escape button for interaction. In case of objective fields, press Enter to switch between yes or no. In case of additional details, press Enter to drill down and view details, and Escape to return. In case of user input, press Enter to open the input fields and press Enter again after specifying the details to accept and return to the previous screen. This behavior can be found across the product in TallyPrime. Whether you want to install a new instance, update old, repair an existing installation, the TallyPrime Setup Manager does everything. Thank you. For more information, go to help.tallysolutions.com.